Hi everyone, I'm the Senior Tech and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Is this warning message popping up every time you start your car? You've already checked the tire pressures, but that annoying light is still on. Maybe you've even replaced the TPMS sensor, and yet the warning won't go away. In this video, I'll show you a quick and effective way to disable the TPMS system in your Ford Focus Mk3 using FORScan, in just a few simple steps. Connect to your car using FORScan. Once connected, go to the menu on the left and select Configuration and Programming. From the list of modules, choose IPC, Module Configuration, and hit the play button. Use the search bar to filter the settings related to the TPMS system. Change all TPMS-related values from Enabled to Disabled. Then click Write. Confirm the changes and follow the on-screen instructions to cycle the ignition off and on. Finally, hit the Stop button to end communication with the IPC module. You might still see a few DTCs stored in the BCM, but the TPMS warning will no longer appear on your dashboard. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and stay tuned for more car DIY tips. See you in the next one.